Hey crypto friends, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, we're going to talk all about Ethereum and see if it has any potential to flip Bitcoin someday. So guys, if you're brand new to the channel and you think you might enjoy the content that I create in the future, then go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel. And guys, give this video a thumbs up because it helps me out and why not, right? And also guys, feel free to go ahead and follow me here on Twitter as well. You can find the link to it in the description below this video. I like to talk about altcoins, NFTs, day trading strategies, and just a bunch of random crypto crap on a daily basis, you guys. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff, you might as well go ahead and give me a follow because I'm only going to be here for the absolute long term, you guys. So we are going to see if Ethereum has the potential to flip Bitcoin someday, okay? Now, here's the thing, you guys. I'm not an expert, nor do I claim to be an expert. I'm literally just a guy at home who likes to make videos on cryptocurrency because, hey, he loves cryptocurrency, and why not, right? So, guys, I'm going to look into this from a complete different perspective than most people, okay? I'm not a very technically advanced person, so I'm not going to be looking into it from a technically advanced perspective, I guess you could say. But here's the thing with Ethereum, you guys. Nobody's buying, no, I shouldn't say nobody. That's a complete lie. Okay. People love Ethereum, okay? People absolutely love Ethereum because a lot of, people love Ethereum because it's the very first smart contract platform, in cryptocurrency. I mean, it realistically is. I'm pretty sure it is anyway. And hey, it's the very first one that people or that project started or that dApps started being built on, and whole DeFi dApps and whatnot. So it's pretty cool, honestly, realistically. But the thing here is, you guys, is the exchange fees, or sorry, the gas fees to make transactions with Ethereum is extremely ridiculously high, you guys, and it always has been really high. Now, the thing here is, and it gets even higher, as the network gets congested more. So, and that kind of sucks, you guys, realistically. So, everybody's waiting for Ethereum 2.0 right now. Everybody is waiting for Ethereum to move from proof of work over to proof of stake, okay? Because that is supposed to drastically improve these fees so that people don't have to throw their money down the toilet, you guys. So realistically here, we're going to try and see if, the numbers line up and see if there's good possible potential, for Ethereum to reach, Bitcoin's levels of market cap at some point in time in the future, you guys. Now, the thing with Ethereum here is I don't think, to be brutally honest with you guys, is when we look at the numbers here, the cold hard numbers, we can clearly see right now at the time of me filming this video, Ethereum is at a market cap of 245,000 million billion, $245 billion. Bitcoin, it's about double that. So it's at about $568 billion. Literally, it's always kind of been that way. I mean, it's literally always kind of been that way. Ethereum is always kind of a step under Bitcoin by literally just about, roughly, as we can see here, roughly about half. And that's about what we see all the time. And it kind of sucks because Ethereum has such a good outlook for it, and I feel it can personally grow, and I feel like it's going to personally grow a lot more in the long term, especially as Ethereum grows into Ethereum 2.0 in the long-term future, which is why Ethereum is still a very solid investment, you guys. I mean, realistically, it is. I mean, all the big people, we got celebrities. Guys, we got celebrities buying NFTs with Ethereum, okay? When people are putting big money into a project like that, that is not a project that that's a project that you want to pay attention to. That's not a project that you want to just throw in the dumpster and be like, I'll think about it tomorrow. No, you want to be putting your money into something like this, you guys. This is stuff that's going to take off more and more in the future. Especially when they switch over to, proof of stake. Now, here's the thing here, you guys. As we can see here, the next step in the Ethereum upgrade is to merge the mainnet with Ethereum 2.0's beacon chain, enabling full staking. After this, Ethereum shard chains will launch in 2023, which will be increasing the blockchain capacity, which will pretty much finalize this whole Ethereum 2.0 concept. And will, hopefully after that point in time, you guys, then we will eventually get gas fees, hopefully that are affordable by more than everybody. And guys, I'm telling you guys, when that happens, when Ethereum has gas fees that everybody can afford and not just celebrities, trust me, guys, Ethereum is going to freaking skyrocket, okay? It is going to absolutely skyrocket because it is the number one place for, it's the number one place for DeFi apps and for NFTs. And, I don't care who you ask, it is. I mean, people are, when you ask about NFTs, Ethereum goes right with it. Everybody's talking about Ethereum with NFTs. Not many people are talking about Solana. I mean, they are, but not very many. Most people are talking about Ethereum, you guys. And overall, realistically here, Ethereum does have a huge chance here to really, really become very, very large, you guys. And I think something like that is what gives Ethereum the possibility and the potential to overthrow Bitcoin in the long-term future, you guys. So realistically here, in my personal opinion, you guys, yes, I do think Ethereum does have the chance to, overtake Bitcoin at some point in time in the future. Why? Because Bitcoin doesn't really do anything. Most people use it as a store of value. Not many people really use it as a source of, transacting. Not many people are sending Bitcoin back and forth to each other. I mean, that's just the truth of it. No, it is. I've done it before, and it takes a long time, okay? And the time it takes me to send Bitcoin, I can do probably 2 or 3 Solana transactions, no problem whatsoever. And it's kind of sad that it's like that, but I mean, that's just the general truth of it. So realistically here, you guys, most people are using Bitcoin as a store of value, and they probably will only use it as a store of value in the long-term future as well. I'm not saying Bitcoin is crap. I'm not saying don't invest in Bitcoin. I'm just saying that I personally think that in the long-term future, since Ethereum has the most utility out of any other altcoin in the cryptocurrency market, I truly believe that Ethereum can eventually overtake Bitcoin in the long term. No problem whatsoever. It may not happen tomorrow. It may not happen in the next bull run, but it will happen, or I do think it will happen eventually at some point in time, you guys. It's just going to take time, obviously. Now, obviously, as we can see here, Ethereum is also burning. Little bits and pieces of transactions are being burned with pretty much with every Ethereum transaction. There's a little bit of that transaction. To my knowledge, a little bit of that transaction is being burned. And so far, since that's been implemented, you guys, which I believe that was part of the London hard fork, we've got roughly 2.3 million Ethereum that have been burned since then. So that's going to continue to grow as well. And by the time, Ethereum takes off in the long-term future, you guys, when it does make the switch, I mean, hey, for all we know, you guys, there's going to be, 10 million less Ethereum to worry about. Therefore, it's going to help drive the price up even further in the long term as well. So realistically here, you guys, I do think it can happen. Now, if we were to look at things from where they stand right now, clearly we can see the circulating supply for Ethereum is 120 million. And market cap is at 245 billion. So as we can see here, now you guys, let's just say Ethereum went to $10,000 right now, okay? If it went to $10,000 right now, we'd have a market cap of roughly $1.2 trillion, okay? Which obviously would roughly be pretty insane. So at the same time, you guys, Bitcoin's already been to that level before of over $1 trillion. And, realistically here, you guys, it didn't really stay there for very long. And it might in the long-term future, but realistically here, long-term, I personally feel that Ethereum is going to be able to overtake and overthrow because of its utility. Simply because of its utility. It's going to get used more than Bitcoin. I mean, it's just, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. It's going to be used more than Bitcoin in the long-term future, you guys, because of its utility. I mean, you're using Ethereum through all of these different dApps that are built on top of Ethereum. All of these different NFTs that are Ethereum based, all of these millions and billions and trillions of transactions happening throughout the Ethereum ecosystem. Yeah, guys, it doesn't take a rocket science to see that Ethereum is definitely probably more likely going to overthrow Bitcoin at some point in the long-term future, you guys. But other than that, you guys, hey, that's pretty much all I got to say about this one. So I'll go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, before you guys leave, again, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And hey, guys, with that said, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section of my future videos or chatting with me here on Twitter.